Hello friends, this is Bhimani from Marwadi University, Rajkot, Gujarat, and this video contains all this topic.
Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure VOIP, means Voice over Internet Protocol, for a small network like a small office or other any small network. Let's start with introduction to VOIP. Now, what is VOIP? VOIP is basically a technology which allows you to make calls or receive calls using internet. VoIP is used in both a small area network or a huge or wide area network. So start with configuration. Let's have a router. Create a new router. To 960 switch, then to IP phones as end devices. So start with configuration of router. First of all, now enter enable, then configure terminal. Now first we will make the configuration of the first port of router which is connected with switch, and the port is fast Ethernet 0/0. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Now IP address to that port is 192.168.10.1, and this is subnet mask. Now no shut means start the router, so you can say switch on the router. Now exit. As you can see, link file changed. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0 changed state to up. That means now router is in working condition. We can make connection. Now the next is DHCP server. Now what is DHCP server? DHCP server is required for you can say assign IP address and location of that IP address for these two IP phones. So start that configuration. IP DHCP pool, that give a name VOIP to that pool. Now we need network for that pool. So network is 192.168.10.0, and its subnet mask. That network is this. Now default router. We have assigned network for that pool. Now we will require router, means default router, from where we have to start. So default router is 192.168.10.1. Now new keyword comes is option. What is option? Option is mandatory in the configuration of this VoIP, voice over IP. option 150 is basically standing for VOIP configuration. So after option 150, and IP address to that option is 192.168.10.1. Now exit. Now, as we are configuring for voice calls, so we require telephonic service also. So here the part starts. Telephone service, and now here we have two phones, so max phones, let's say 3. Now max DN. What is DN? DN is standing for directory number. Maximum directory numbers say 4. Now we have to give a source IP. So for source IP source address is 192.168.10.1. Now we will also require port from this IP phone. Which port is connected? This port. For that, this is for router. This is fast Ethernet 0/0. But for telephone service, we have to give extra port. We can say a new name according to telephone service we require. So let's check which ports we have. So we have port number 2000 to 9999. So we can use any of these ports. So let's select 2001 port. Now we have selected this port and IP source address is this. Now it's time to configure buttons of the telephone, or we can say IP phone. So basically we use buttons as they are given in telephone. So this is the command of configuration of numbers. Auto assign 1 to 5. Okay, made a mistake. Auto assign 1 5, then auto assign 4 to 6. Then exit. Here we are done with basic telephone service part. Now let's give directory numbers to both phones, by which we can dial and connect to that phone. Again, telephone service. Now select first phone. Phone directory number 1, enter. Changed state up. Interface phone DSP directory number 1, change to state up. Now give number to the phone. Let's say number is 1112. Maximum directory number is 4. So we have given 4 number 1112. Enter. Now directory number 2, directory phone 2, phone directory number 2 is also changed state to a number 1113, let's say. So here we are done with router part for this VOIP configuration. So let's exit, exit, or you can say Ctrl Z. Done. Now come to the switch. So here we will configure VLAN for this network. So enable config T interface range first Ethernet ports 0/1 to 5. Between these first Ethernet ports we will require a VLAN, or we can say a common VLAN. So we have selected these ports using this range command. So done with this. Now next is switchboard mode. We require VLAN for these ports, in which switchboard mode is required is access. Now time to give a name to that VLAN. Switchboard voice VLAN 1. Done with this part also. Now let's make connection between all these devices using copper straight through wire. So start with this. E from 0, IP from 0, switch connection, first 0 port, IP from 2 to port 0/2, 0/3 connected with routers 0/0. Now antenna part. Give antenna to IP phones so that it will connect with network. First time. Here you can see the number is here 1113. Now dial 1112 from this phone and make a call. You can see here ring out. Let's check another phone. GUI, graphical user interface, and you can see here it's ringing from 1113. So here configuration is done. Now you can see connected here also, connected here also. So this is how VoIP works for a small network.
Hello friends, this is Bhimani from Marwadi University, Rajkot, Gujarat, and this video contains all this topic.